and nothing but the truth. So help me God. Yes, sir, I'm on hold, sir. Loan because of you, Mr. Chairman. Because of the committee you've set up against the China loan, South-South, that contract is from Lagos to Calabar, which is the whole of the South-South. Mr. Chairman, we may not get that loan, so there's no contract.
If Zone 8 gets their fair share, and next year...
Have you not approached me on South-South? Have you not approached me on South-South today? Have you not approached me on South-South today?
I have not.
You have?
I have not.
Mr. Chairman, you have approached me.
It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. We will not degenerate the issue to South-South or any other South.
Have you not approached me on South-South today?
My priority as this committee chairman is to make sure any area we are taking rail is viable. And it will promote the economic activities of Nigeria and bring about a multiplier effect. That's my concern and that's my philosophy, irrespective of any area you push any rail. I'm a Nigerian and I believe in Nigerian spirit. Oh, now your hand. The contract further covenant that it shall give priority to engagement of Nigerian commercial firms and companies for the supply of goods and materials and all other works. Can you diligently provide us with evidence and records of Nigerian commercial firms and companies currently being engaged and providing services on these projects?
Which of them?
I've listed, I even including your Lagos one.
Okay, so let's start with Coastal Rail. There is no contract on Coastal Rail.
It's okay.
What I mean by there is no contract is until you get the loan, there is no contract.
It's okay.
And the implication is that we may not get the loan, so there will be no contract.
It's okay.
Okay. The Lagos Ibadan.
Yeah.
I'm not the contractor. He will supply us at the end of the contract.
Did you sign this agreement on this commercial contract with your ministry? In addendum 2A, page 3 and 4 on the Lagos Ibadan segment of the railway modernization project worth over $1.5 billion, signed on 22nd of December 2016. The contract agreement was signed by you and witnessed by one I.J. Uche Okoro, who simply identified himself as a civil servant without a designation and addressed as Federal Minister of Transport. Who is this I.J. Uche Okoro, and what is his official designation? Rank in the ministry.
I'm trying hard to manage what I say so that nobody will say I'm bringing the house to ridicule. Mr. Chairman, the person who signed the paper is a civil servant. And director of legal is a civil servant. Who is the permanent secretary here? Is that not? So what does he want?
Is the man a director of legal?
She is a director of legal.
She's a director of legal. She didn't sign it as a director of legal.
If she signs as a civil servant, has she contravened the law, sir?
Any other person can sign as a civil servant.
Did they tell
must know who is
the class of person that will sign? They didn't. They didn't say the witness must be a director or the witness must be a governor.
So you will not take a messenger to sign your document?
Well, it's a law. It's a law you pass.
Which law? Can you
the one you pass. So there's no law that said it must be.
Can you provide us with the law?
Is there a law that says it must be?
The ministers, you have gone to sign because
Mr. Chairman, one of the responsibilities of the House is to appoint for you legislative assistants. Is that not true? Please, sir, ask the legislative assistant to read our booklet. You will see addendum 2.
Mr. Honorable Minister.
Gentlemen, please, can we just take a break for about 10 to 15 minutes, please? Let's take a break for 10 to 15
Clear them out.
Thank you. Honorable Ministers, distinguished honorable colleagues, DGs of parastatals and agencies, honorable members of the press, we shall resume after 30 minutes break. to address most of these issues again. So we'll take a 30-minute break on this matter. Thank you.